Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian, and today we are going to look really quickly at a very cool, very creative, and very colorful way of creating a landing page for your book launch. This can be either a book that's coming up for many of you, or it can actually be, if you've written some books already, you can actually apply this template to an existing book or blog as long as you're running WordPress. So essentially, this template or this landing page is using a plugin called Full Single. And I think, yeah, actually the name of the variant of that plugin or the template that is being called is called Flyleaf. So it's a little bit technical. I'm not going to get into a ton of detail about the technical bits and pieces, other than to say it's very easy to use and it's pretty self-explanatory once you install the plugin, which is free. So what it does is it gives you this template right away on your existing blog. So you would convert the page that you want to showcase your book. This could be your landing page, like the the homepage for your blog, or it could just be a specific page for your book that is embedded more deeply within the blog itself. Or it could be, you could have a series of these pages where you have 2 or 3 books, or you have clients that have books and you want to showcase their books as well. You could, have 5 or 7 or 9 or 12 or however many books you want to have a dedicated landing page for, all facilitated very quickly and very easily using the Flyleaf template. So here is the structure of it. So you have the big hero image here. This is where your book cover would be. This is where your price would be. Clearly, this is where you'd have a link to a sample chapter. This could be a link to Amazon. So could this. There's a, kind of a pretty, really aesthetically pleasing, bar at the top, which is good for conversion. You have an about area here. You have another testimonial here. This, I think, is awesome. This all looks really good on mobile as well, so this really reduces well on small devices. You can have a picture of your book on the inside, which should also facilitate better conversions. And then another button below, another sample chapter here, and then your copyright information there. So, you can modify this in whatever way that you choose. Again, it's a free plugin. All that it requires is you have to install Full Single, which you can see here in my browser bar. You can do that from the WordPress repository. And then you also have to install another free page maker called Site Origin, and that actually installs this template, which plays well with a plugin. So if you're not a WordPress guru or expert or aficionado even, this is all pretty easy. We also have a service through the Inspired Author Store that if you wanted this done for your book, we could do it for you. I don't do it. I outsource this, but we can certainly help you really affordably get one of these done for your upcoming launch. All right. I can't think of a better way of taking an ordinary WordPress blog and converting it into a really high-end looking showcase for your books or your you can even have products or services showcased here. I've done that as well. So really, it's really awesome, and it's free, and it's well worth checking out for those of you who are in the platform piece of your launch process. All right. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.